Hey, man, I'm gonna show you how to test an Ezgo Robbins engine coil. If you look here, see how the coil is white on top? Instead of it being black, it's white. That means the aftermarket because you can't get no more factory coils. Now this is brand new, right out the box, all right? And the problem is when we put it on, it stutters and spits, taking off, but it eventually takes off. So if you think you got a coil bad and you put this on, you're going to keep digging and thinking it's something else. So what you want to do, you want to turn your voltmeter to ohms, which is the horseshoe. So I'm going to take it, turn it to ohms. I'm going to stand it up there. All right, got on ohms. Now, a good healthy coil should read on the primary wires, the primary circuits going into it. These are your two primary circuits. It's going to read 0.5 to 2 ohms for a healthy coil, man. If it's 0.3 or if it's 2.5, it means your coil is going bad. It's losing its age. It's showing its age. All right, so you take your red lead, put it on one terminal, black lead on another terminal. Now this is brand new, straight out the box from Nivell or Red Hawk. We ordered from a bunch of them. And you can see, man, you got 4.37. Now it should read 0.5 to 2 ohms. All right. So right there already shows you have a high coil. So what you got to do, and they don't tell you this, is you have to get you a ballast resistor. All right. And I printed it for you because we don't have one here. And you have a ballast resistor here. And what you want to do is run your hot wire through this. All right. You want to take the wire, comes off the coil, run it here, and then run your other side back to the coil. And what it does, it brings down the resistance down to 0.5 to 2 ohms to bring it within range so it will fire like it should. Now, make sure you get a 12-volt ceramic ballast resistor. All right, you can get them at your parts store. They use them on the old trucks and cars. All right, so make sure you get this. And this is what's crazy, a brand new part that you would spend hours and hundreds of dollars trying to avoid replacing this again because you just put it on. All right, man, I just wanted to show you that, man, a little tip, help you save some money, man. Really, if it's white, if it's like I said, if it has a white tip on it, it ain't worth the crap, man. All right, stay tuned, man. We'll post some more.